Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about the days of the week in Dagbani. So stick and stay and I'll take you through. Did you know historically Dagbon did not use the 7-day week calendar? There was no Monday, Tuesday or Atani, Atalaata in Dagbon. We used the market system. For centuries, the people of Dagbon followed a 6-day rotating market system known as Daklo. It was not just about buying and selling in those markets. It was how we organize ourselves, we organize the way we communicate in our daily life. If you want to know what day it was, you don't need to check the calendar. You just need to ask which market day it was. Then you know whether it was the second day or the third day of the week or the fourth day of the week. The clue follows a steady 6-day cycle. It begins with the Tamale market day, which is day 1. That's the largest market in the Dagbon Kingdom. Then it moves to Tolan market day, which is day 2, and it is traditionally known as Katenda. And for day 3, we know it as 𝐀𝐭𝐚𝐧𝐢, which is Savulugu market day. And on the 4th day, we have the Voau, Tamping and Yendi market day, which is held on the same day. That's the 4th day of the week. The 5th day belongs to 𝐁𝐞𝐿 and 𝐁𝐞𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐞. So the 5th day of the week was the 𝐁𝐞𝐿 and 𝐁𝐝𝐴 market day. And the last day, that is the 6th day, was the 𝐾𝐭𝐚𝐧𝐢 market day. After 𝐾𝐭𝐚𝐧𝐢 market day, that's the 6th day, then it begins again with the Tamale market day. So we had 6 days in a week in the Dagbon Kingdom. We had 6 days in a week. These markets were not just a trading space for us, they were how we communicate and network. Everything were arranged based on these days: funerals, marriage ceremonies, everything. If you want to do an event, you say either the event will be held on the Yendi market day, or the Tamale market day, or the 𝐾𝐭𝐚𝐧𝐢 market day, which is the 6th day. So they will know which day we are talking about in the week. And the week was called Daklo. As Islam became firmly established in the Dagbon Kingdom and later adopted as a state religion by Nazanjina, another structure was introduced. We later adopted the Islamic 7-day calendar system. The days are known as Atani is Monday, Atalaata is Tuesday, Alaaba is Wednesday, Alaamishi is Thursday, Alizuma is Friday, 𝐻𝐸𝐵 is Saturday, Alahari is Sunday. We adopted this from the Islamic religion and use it for our administrative purpose, public life and other stuff. But we still use the 6-day cultural calendar, the 6-day Daklo cycle, which we use for specifically for running the markets and other cultural activities. And also the days of the weeks, the introduced one, in the Arabic one, which was introduced to us, we have names that are attached to it. When a child is born on a particular day, we have a name we give to that child. Especially, majority of the names are female names. So when a child is born on Atani, which is Monday, we call her Tani. And when a child is born on Atalaata, which is Tuesday, we call her Zilaata. And on Wednesday, which is Alaaba, we call her Laaba. All these are female names. And on Alaamishi, that's Thursday, we call her Laamehe. And on Alizuma, Friday, we call her Azima for a female child, and Azindo for a male child. And on Saturday, which is 𝐻𝐸𝐵, we call the female 𝐻𝐸𝐵 and the male 𝐻𝐸𝐵. And on Sunday, which is Alahari, we call the female Lahari. So in Dagbon, the days of the week are not just for counting days, it's also used to name our children in the Dagbon Kingdom. So from the Daklu to the 7-day calendar system, the understanding of time reflects a society that's adapted yet didn't forget its historical or traditional cycle. If you found this insightful, let us know in the comment section. Share this video so others can learn about Dagbon's unique system of time. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories about Dagbon Kingdom, our history, our culture and tradition. And you can visit our website www.dagbonkingdom.com for more articles on various topics on Dagbon Kingdom. Thank you for watching.